Now we are going to study parallels of latitude. For this you have to watch the activity that you have done just now. See the activity. The ellipse drawn by joining the 20-degree point is larger than the ellipse that joins the 60-degree point, and the distance xk1 and xp2 are the same. The reason behind it is that we are dealing with a sphere. Students, you need to understand that the lines that appear to be ellipse in the diagram of the globe, they are circles. As we know, the circle creates some angular distance from the center of the earth are parallel to one another. Hence, they are called parallels of latitude. The value are expressed in the degrees. You can see this in figure 1.5. The degree of parallels are measured from the equator. That is why the equator is considered as a 0-degree parallel, and it is also a largest parallel. It also called the great circle. The angular distance of one other parallel towards the north and the south goes on increasing away from the equator. That means it starts from the 0 and it increases up to 90. The equator bisects the earth into two parts, north part and the south part. The north part is called northern hemisphere and the south part is called the southern hemisphere. Towards north and the south of the equator, parallels of latitude progressively become smaller and smaller on the globe and as well as on the earth. At the north and the south end of the earth axis, they appear as a point. These points are called North Pole and South Pole. While mentioning the value of the parallel, it is important to mention whether is it in the northern hemisphere, northern part, or a southern hemisphere, that is south side. The parallels from the northern hemisphere are referred as a 10-degree north, 30-degree north, 60-degree north, etc. Where the parallels from the southern hemisphere are referred to as the 10-degree south, 30-degree south, 60-degree south, etc.